In this video, we will show you how to make traditional South Indian tomato rasam. For the rasam base, you will need chopped tomatoes, soaked tamarind, water, toor dal, rasam powder, turmeric powder, and salt. If you prefer, you can also add cooked and mashed toor dal for extra flavor and texture. To prepare the tamarind water, soak the tamarind in warm water and strain the juice. If using toor dal, cook it in a pressure cooker until soft and mash it well. In a pot, combine the chopped tomatoes, tamarind water, rasam powder, turmeric powder, salt, and optionally, the cooked toor dal. Add water and bring it to a boil. Simmer for about 10-15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. In a separate pan, heat ghee or oil for tempering. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, broken red chili, and crushed garlic to the pan. Sauté the tempering ingredients for a minute until the flavors release. Add the tempering to the boiling rasam and mix well to incorporate the flavors. Garnish the rasam with freshly chopped coriander leaves for added freshness and aroma. Allow the rasam to simmer for a couple more minutes, and then turn off the heat. Serve the hot and comforting homemade rasam as a soup or with steamed rice. Enjoy the delicious flavors of South Indian tomato rasam.